Hi there, I'm Radiance, and I'm the founder and managing attorney of Radiance IP Law. And I help 6 and 7 figure businesses protect, leverage, and monetize profitable brands with trademarks. And today I wanted to talk about 4 things to look for when hiring an attorney for your business. So, number 1, you want to look for expertise. You want to be sure that you are hiring an attorney who has specialized or expertise in the area of focus that you need help with. So don't go looking for a jack of all trades. If you find an attorney who's doing a whole bunch of things, run for the hills. So you definitely want to find someone who's a specialist. So if you need help with an employment agreement, go with an employment attorney. If you need help with a divorce, you want to go with a family law attorney. If you need help with a trademark, you want to go with a trademark attorney or intellectual property attorney. So you definitely want to go with someone who is specialized in that area, because you would have some comfort in knowing that they have really studied, they really have the experience to back it, they're keeping up with new laws in that area, versus someone who might have a whole bunch of different practice areas. You don't know what they're well versed in. So definitely you want to go with someone who has the expertise. The second thing you want to look for is experience. You definitely want to go with an attorney who has the experience, not only just years, but just experience handling what it is that you need help with. It's one thing for an attorney to say, oh, I can do it, but what does the experience say? Do they have experience working in that area that you need help with? Do they have experience that backs that up? So you definitely want to look at experience and when you're shopping around to find someone to work with. Thirdly, you want to look at the different fee arrangements that are available. So generally speaking, there are hourly rates. I've seen hourly rates range from $200 an hour all the way to $1,000 an hour, where essentially you're working with an attorney and you're being billed for everything. Phone calls, emails, 0.1, 0.2 increments, you're being billed for everything. There's other attorneys that have a combination of hourly and flat rates, where they will do flat rates for some things and hourly for other things. I know for myself, my law firm is exclusively flat fees, so we only do flat fees. That's it. No hourly over here, so you know what you're getting for a flat rate. There's other firms that work on contingency, where the payment is based on whether they can help you with a case or not. Those tend to be in more of litigation type cases. So there's a different kinds of fee arrangements that they're available to you. It kind of just depends on what it is that you need help with, the nature of the case, and the type of firm that you're working with. So you want to be clear as to what are the types of fee arrangements that are available to you, and be sure as to whether or not that works within your budget. Keep in mind to look at, when you're looking for an attorney, look for value. Don't shop around for an attorney the way you would shop around for somebody painting your walls or a plumber. You don't want to go necessarily with the cheapest person in town, because you definitely, in the legal area, you get what you pay for. So you definitely want to go and look at the overall value versus the cost of working with an attorney. And finally, number 4, you want to look at testimonials. So what credibility do they have? What are other people saying? I wouldn't suggest necessarily going on Google and just Googling random attorneys. Try to fish around within your local network, people that you may know. Look and see, hey, who do you recommend? Do you guys have any recommendations for attorneys that I work with? Because that way you could at least have some credibility, or someone who can vouch on the quality of an attorney. So hopefully these 4 things you will look out for and will help you as you shop around for an attorney. Look at expertise, look at experience, look at the types of fee arrangements, and look at testimonials. All right? Have an awesome day. Take care.